Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely fabulous day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this super cool and elegant 18th birthday card, and it is super easy to create. For my project, I'm going to use 7 by 7 inches white card blank. To decorate it, I decided to use solid gold Centura metallic card from Crafter's Companion, and I created a square measuring 6 3/4 by 6 3/4 of an inch. To decorate the background, I'm going to use embossing folder from Tattered Lace, and I created white square measuring 6.5 by 6.5 of an inch. Now it is time to put those two squares together at the front of the card. And then decisions, how you're going to decorate the card. So if you remember, recently I've gone to amazing craft show in Poznan, and I bought quite a lot of things. If you haven't seen that haul, the link is at the top right corner. So today I decided to use 2 sheets of beautiful elements designed by Olga Bielska. And if I find the links, I'll leave them in the description down below. Here you can see them. I already fussy cut some of the elements. I have to say that the quality of this cut is absolutely amazing. So the whole theme for this 18th birthday party was white, because that was the color of the dress. Then there was gold, pink, and black. So I really wanted to personalize this card. And then using 2 yellow alcohol markers, I added that color, the number 18, because on the design paper it was silver. So yes, you can use your alcohol markers to change the color of some of the elements, because they are a little bit transparent, and they will really work like they did here, which I'm super happy about. Now it is time to do a dry run to see how all those elements will fit at the card. And when you're happy with it, now it is time to add some dimension. And I'm going to use my double-sided foam adhesive. It's always a good idea to add few drops of liquid glue, then double-sided foam adhesive. You can always peel off using your pokey tool, and then use a few drops of liquid glue. Again, this way all those elements will stay there forever, which I absolutely love. I wonder, have you ever heard about Olga Bielska? If you haven't, I left the link to her YouTube channel in the description down below. She creates very beautiful, multi-layered designs. They are simply gorgeous. So if you want to check her designs and her projects, check her YouTube channel, and I also left the link to her website. She's got some absolutely beautiful designs, so please check them out. As you can see, I'm using a variety of layers. So when you look at it in real life, the dimension is absolutely stunning. So I do encourage you to play with what you've got in your stash, and then use double-sided foam adhesive or maybe something else to add some dimension, but then try to diverse it. Have 1 layer, 2 or 3 layers. This way it's going to be even more special. And trust me, the recipient will love it. Then what do you think about this color theme for this 18th birthday card? I really wanted to keep it as simple and elegant at the same time. If I achieve that look, please let me know in the comments down below. As you know, I absolutely love personalized cards. So this one was for me amazing to create. I had so much fun to do it. And if you know me, I love fussy cutting. So I spent like 40 minutes fussy cutting all those elements, and I was very happy with the result. When was the last time you created 18th birthday card? And what theme or shape was the card? I'm really curious. So if you've created one, please let me know in the comments down below. And I really want to use as much as I bought from that craft show in Poznan. So I came up with an idea, and I want to create a very short series for you with autumn theme pop-up cards. So if you'd really like to create something very special, fancy folds, but this time pop-up cards, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe because they will come very soon here. So stay tuned for that. So as you can see, I'm nearly done with all those elements on the front of the card, and still I'm adding couple of layers of double-sided foam adhesive. And trust me, in real life it really makes a difference. And to be honest, this card still fits inside a flat envelope, which I think is absolutely amazing. But if you want, you can always create a matching box, and that will be even more special. So, how often do you use fussy cut elements for your cards? Or do you like die cuts? Or maybe you create beautiful stamped images? Sometimes I do like to sit on my sofa when I watch a film, and I absolutely love fussy cutting. So that's what I did here, and I had all the elements ready to create that card. So now it will be time to add that 18 number. So I thought I'm going to add a little bit of string. And that is the one I use for crocheting snowflakes for Christmas. So I'm going to cut a little bit of it, cut it in half, and then attach it to the numbers. And whenever I try to use a string, I like to use a little bit of tape as well. So this way it's going to be very secure. I couldn't find my double-sided tape, so I found a sellotape, and that worked really well here. And no one will ever know. So as you can see, I'm cutting the size for that sellotape, and I'm going to attach it at the back of those numbers. When this is ready, you can add some double-sided foam adhesive, again with a little bit of glue, just to make sure everything will be secure forever. So when this is done, I thought, what can I do to make all the elements match on my card? So as you can see, I use solid gold card from Crafter's Companion to create that gold border. And I really wanted a little bit more gold and sparkle on this card. So from all those beautiful cutting dies I bought in Poznan, I decided to use one of them from a Polish company, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. And I used exactly the same solid gold card to cut the sentiment, and it made a massive difference. So I'm going to cut the excess of the string and use my pokey tool to actually tuck that string inside, and that worked really well. So now it is time for a sentiment, and as I told you, I use the Polish company, and it is called Craft a New Design. And this one says all the best. The font is absolutely beautiful and elegant, and I thought that would be a beautiful match here. So when this is done, everything will be beautifully put together. And then I thought something is missing in all those corners. So we need a little bit of bling. So from my stash, I use beautiful gold pearls, and I'm going to show you them here. So if you'd like to check some of the products I use in today's video, check the description down below, especially with those gold pearls. I really like them, and I have them very long now. And still, I use them very often. So if you'd really like to get them, check the description down below. And it's always a good idea to put a drop of liquid glue first and then that pearl, and the cut will be completed. There is plenty of space to write your message inside, and to be honest, I created that card for a couple of people to sign it. So that's why I chose 7 by 7 inches card blank, and the card is complete. So what do you think about it and all the dimension? Do you like it? Do you like the color scheme? Please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Here you can see some other 18th birthday cards I created. And don't forget about my very short autumn theme pop-up cards. Have a wonderful day and see you in my next video. Happy crafting! Bye!